This is gonna be our most important event of the year. Number one ranked crypto fund in America right now. This is their Christmas party, and we're gonna give you the behind the scenes access to see how we pull off this party for 50 people last minute with less than $5,000. Let's go. Hey everyone, Past Shay here. It's currently 4:10 in the morning. Still packing for this event. Got all this stuff right here, still gotta pack. Boom. Got all this. Still got a lot to do. Back at it, 9 a.m. Coffee time. 11:42, prepping fruit and juices and simple syrup for our other party that we're doing right now with our boy Freddie Chase. Always have a contract. What is that? Is that right? All right, 1:15 in the afternoon, setting up for the first party. It's a little party, little pre-party before the main event. Gotta set this one up first though. Ship shape, let's go. You see all this stuff behind me? Yeah, back there. Main event. Gotta be there in 10 minutes. Looks like it's gonna take me 24 minutes. 23 minutes. Jeez. Guys, we have officially made it to the main event. Let's check it out. And right now we're gonna go inside, set up the bar, get everything ready to go, and it's gonna be crazy tonight. Thanks for hanging out with us. Smash that like button, double bump that bell, make sure you are notified every single time we are in another place in the world doing another crazy adventure. And if you like nutcrackers, I got a nutcracker for you. What's up, my man? Definitely not a bad office for the day, right guys? I told you, I'm a private bartender, and this is what I mean. Like and subscribe. All right, guys, it's about 7:45. People have been here for hanging out for a little bit, about an hour. JP's got some food from the chefs because we've been sliding some shots their way. Look what you got there.
I got some oysters.
Wow. Okay, oysters. We gotta get back to the party. Hope you're enjoying it. Yeah, so perks of this job sometimes is oysters.
Wait.
What?
Cheers.
Oh, cheers.
Cheers.
All right, guys, so there is a secret bond between the bar and the kitchen staff. So we give them shots, and they give us, you know, all the goodies. So I just want to say thank you guys for all your help tonight. We appreciate you. See, I told you guys, you know, you gotta get one of those. My man wants a Kentucky roll. I want meatballs. Whatever he wants, I got it. Camera, black man. Yep. The one thing that always happens at every single party is always some cool guy that wants to stand behind the bar and get in everyone's way. It's just inevitable. All right, everyone. Woo! It's fucking loud. All right, guys, it's 1:30 in the morning. We are out of here. Thanks for hanging out with us today. See you on the next one. Happy holidays. Merry Christmas to 2022. We're out of here. Mixology Flaired. Hit that subscribe button, that like. Peace.